Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix no sound in Mozilla Firefox. If there is no sound in Firefox, it can prevent you from enjoying videos, music, or calls. This issue is often caused by muted tabs, system settings, or audio device problems. This guide will walk you through how to fix no sound in Firefox on your Windows PC. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer and check if the tab is muted. Look for a speaker icon of its tab icon on the top. Then click the speaker icon to unmute the tab if needed. Right-click the tab and ensure Mute tab is not selected. Play a video by clicking play and increase the volume using your keyboard or the system controls. Right-click the speaker icon in the Windows taskbar. Click Open Volume Mixer. Make sure Firefox volume is not muted or set to low. On your settings again, on your computer, go to System, then Sound. Check that the correct output device, speakers or headphones, is selected. Close and open Firefox to restart and to refresh the app. Update Firefox to the latest version if available. Restart your computer to apply all changes. Tip: try playing audio in another browser to confirm if the issue is specific to Firefox. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.